Franklin County in north-central Georgia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairplay, Oregon, 11 miles southwest of Douglasville, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Villarica, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Plan Yates, Byers Crossroads, Henna, Powers Crossroads, Bill Arp, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Handy, Clem, Abilene, John Tanner State Park, Lowell, and Treasure Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m. in Atlanta.